It is said that Jesus was born on Christmas in a manger long ago. Surrounded by the sound of life, yet just outside the common way. For there were no inns with rooms, they say. No place for Mary to rest her head to birth this babe. Conceived of her heart, so pure and filled with Spirit's holiness. Though he knew not Mary of the flesh, with visions wisdom came. This child of wonder, so much so that Joseph welcomed as his own. This child of light that drew the shepherds from their fields and flocks to see. This child of awe that called the kings from far-off lands to bear the gifts of old. Frankincense, myrrh and gold. The star that lighted the way at night, announcing the birth of Christ. For love was born on Christmas, when Jesus came to life. The life of Jesus, our example of the perfect human, was a life of love. The emotion of love brings feelings of affection for one another, and we take delight when these feelings are reciprocated. The power of love, however, calls us to see from a higher place, and to love for the pure joy of seeing and honoring good. This power of love doesn't need human reciprocation, for its source, our God, is never-ending. Let all you do be done in love. 1 Corinthians 16:14